Now if I click 1, okay, it is not getting displayed correctly. Why? Okay, it should be displayed after incrementing the value, right? So here it should be displayed. Let me refresh, click 1, see it became 2. When I click 2, it became 3, 3, 4, 5. If I click 7, nothing happens because it is not correctly clicked in the correct order. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where is 13? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. And after this, when we click 27, actually what should happen? This is now becoming empty because we have already clicked the number. So once the number becomes 26, we can actually change the background color to be white so that the user will have a feeling like it is already done. Hope you understand what I am trying to say. Once all the 25 numbers are clicked, we will see numbers from 26 to 50, right? Once 26 is clicked, we don't have any other number to place here. So we can change the background color to white so that the user will feel that only few more items are to be clicked. So instead of removing this div element, if we remove this div element, what will happen? The other elements will be moved to adjust to this space, that is the empty space. So instead of removing this div element, I am going to just change the background color to white. So what we can do, inside this we can have another check. If current num is greater than 26, if current num is greater than 26, then what we can do, we can specify $this dot background, dot CSS background as white. Hope you understand what I am trying to do here. Let me show you that. Let me save this. Let me click the numbers 1, 2. So 2 is now displaying 32. That is this div element's text is 32, 48. Then the next number is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now the next number is 25, right? If I click 25, the next number is now 26. So if we click when the next number is 26, we will not be able to see all the numbers. That is the numbers from 26 to 50. Now when I click the number 26, where is it? See, we don't have any other number to display here. So we can make that space empty by just specifying background color of that div element to be white. Next, let me click 27. See, that became white. 28, that became white. So instead of greater than 26, if I specify greater than 25, what will happen? Let me show you that as well, because we just have to display 25 numbers at a time. But what will happen if I set the value like this or set the condition like this? Let me click 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now the next number is 25, right? If I click this, if I make it as white, what will happen? One number will be missing because the number which got displayed in this div element is not visible now. We do not know which number got missing. Let me try to click the numbers. 26 is here, 27 is here, 28 is here, 29, 30, 31, 32. Where is 33? See, 33 is actually in this space. So if we specify the condition like this, one number will go missing. If you check this, let me click container, and if I close this and move to the number, this 37 is here, 48. For this one, we are seeing background to be white, so we are not able to see the number. Here it is 36. Suppose for the time being, let me specify the text color to be red. Just to show you, let me save this. So let me click from 1 to 25 just to show you that particular condition. It is a bit difficult to see as it is an odd color here we have selected. Still, I want to show you that condition. 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. See, we have changed the background to white, right? So what happened? This 46 will be actually hidden. We will not be able to see it as the text color and the background color is the same. So when we start clicking, once we reach 46, we will not be able to click that number as it will not be visible. So the condition should not be greater than 25. Instead, it should be greater than 26 itself. Hope you understand why I have changed the color to red. Just to show you that this number will not be visible as we are setting the background color and the text color as the same. So we should make the change, that is, we should change the background to white only if the next number is greater than 26, not greater than 25. Okay. Let me change it back to white itself. Okay. Now let me save this and try the code once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then where is 20, 21, 22, 23, yes, 24, 25, and when we click 26, that space will be white. Actually there is content, but we are not able to see that, right? Now 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, where is 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Then once all the numbers are clicked, what we need to do? We need to display the time to the user. So we have to implement the timer part next, then only we will be able to display the time taken by the player. Also we need to implement the restart button click. That is, once the restart button is clicked at any point of time, the game should restart. So we need to implement that part next, and we will do it in the next lecture.